Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the next chapter, that is coordinate geometry. So these all are the questions from the department and the model papers. So here now we are going to start with the first question, that is the distance of the coordinate P of 6, 8 from the origin is. Here the point and origin. So to solve these problems, first thing we have to be very perfect in formulas, that is the distance between point and origin, distance between 2 points, midpoint formula, distance formula, section formula, area of triangle formula. All formulas we should know. So here the first one question is the distance between the coordinate point is 6, 8, and let us consider this is x and this is y. We know that this is x and y. So formula for distance to find between the point and origin is root of x square plus y square. So d is equals to 6 square plus 8 square. We should be very quick. See, they are not going to see our steps here. We want the correct answer. D is equals to 6 square is 36 plus 8 square 64. 36 plus 64 is 100 and root 100 is 10. 10 unit is the correct answer. So the first answer is A, 10 unit. Let us see the second question. The coordinates of the point lying on y-axis. See, when the word comes y-axis, then x should be 0. If x-axis comes, y should be 0. So here the coordinate of the point lying on y-axis are, we can see here x0, no, here x place x only is there, here x place x only is there, here x place 0 is there. So the correct answer is C. Okay. Y-axis means x0. Let us see the next question. The midpoint of a line segment joining 2 points A, 2, 4 and B, minus 2, minus 4 are. What they have asked? Midpoints. Here the options are minus 2, 4, 2, minus 4, C, 0, 0 and D, minus 2, minus 4. So the question number 3 is what? 2, 4.1 and minus 2 minus 4 is a 0.2. So we know midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, we'll solve quickly. x1 y1, second point x2 y2. Okay, x1 is 2 plus minus 2 by 2 comma x2 is 4, y2 is minus 4 by 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 by 2 is 0, 4 minus 4 is also 0 and 0 by 2 is 0. So the answer is 0, 0. C, 0, 0 is the answer. Let us see the next question. The distance between the point A, 0, 6 and B, 0, minus 2 is. Okay. Now they are asking about the distance between the point. Fourth one question is, points are what? 0, 6 and 0, minus 2. First point 0, 6, that is x1, y1. Second point x2, y2. Okay, what they have asked? Distance formula. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So D is equals to x2 value is what? X2 value is 0. Minus x1 0, 0 minus 0 gone this side. Now y2 value is minus 2, formula minus as it is, y1 is 6 whole square. 0 minus 0 this side gone, it is completely 0, plus minus minus is plus. So 6 plus 2 is minus 8 square. So D is equals to minus 8 square is 64, root 64 is nothing but 8. So answer is what? B8. By mistake here it is marked. So correct answer is B8. Okay. Now let us see the next question. The distance of the point 3, 4. The distance of the point 3, 4 from x-axis is. Okay. The distance, I'll draw the 3, 4 from x-axis. Okay. This is the coordinate system. We know this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. Now 3, 4. This is 0.123. 1, 2, 3, x3, y4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This now what they have told from x-axis. Properly see, the question is the distance of the point 3, 4 from x-axis. From x-axis 3 till 4, how many points you will get? 1. This distance 3, 4 from x-axis. From x-axis how much distance? 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So answer is 4. So B4 is a correct answer. Now let us see the question, next question, that is the distance of the point P30 and Q34 is. Here distance, again distance between the points. Okay, you should be very quick again to D is equals to root of, we know formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now points are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Directly I will do so that we should not waste our time in solving these problems because we need answer quickly. x2 3 minus again 3 gone 0, y2 4 minus y1 0. Okay, 3 minus 3 is 0 gone, plus 4 minus 0 is 4 whole square. So D is equals to 4 square is 8. So root, see 4 square is not 8, 4 fours we have to do. 4 square is 16. Root 16 is nothing but 4 units. So answer is C, 4 unit is a correct answer. Now let us see this question, 7th one question. Here the ratio in which the line segment joining the points P minus 310 and Q 6 minus 8 is divided by 0 minus 1 6. This is the point we know when the asked to find ratio, we need to use the section formula, but it will be too lengthy. Here they are not going to see our steps here. We need answer quickly. So by using this method also you can solve the formula. Okay, this you should know the proper points here. This is x1 y1 first point, second point x2 y2. Then this 2 point is dividing this point, that is x and y. So easy method what you have to use is x1 minus x is to, they have asked the ratio, x1 minus x is to x minus x2. Okay, x1 minus x is to x minus x2, or y1 minus y is to y minus y2. Same. Okay, now we can see how we will use this. Okay, the points are here. Let us see the points. x1 is minus 3, minus x is minus 1. Okay, is to x is minus 1, minus x2 is 6. Okay, minus 3 minus minus plus is to minus 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 7. Here minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 is to minus 7. Minus minus got cancelled. 2 is to 7 is the correct answer. C, 2 is to 7 is the correct answer. In a very simple way you can easily find. Only the thing you have to remember is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. Same answer you will get for y also. We will do with the y now. Okay. So y1 10 minus y is 6 is to y is 6 minus y2 minus 8. Okay, 10 minus 6 is 4 is to 6 plus 8, minus minus is plus, 6 plus 8 is 14. Now 4 is to 14 we get 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. We got 2 is to 7. Got it? It's a very easy method to find the answer because they are not going to see our steps here. So in a direct way we can easily find with this method. Okay. Now the next question, question number 8. Let us see the question number 8 here. The area of triangle with vertices A 30, B 70 and C 84 is. Here for this problem also we have one easy steps to do, but actually in previous classes we have learned these with the formula method, but now it is a directly, they are not seeing our steps and method, they want answer. So the given 3 points I have written. What we have to do is, these are our first 3 given point. This is the x1, y1. Okay, we will write later on. These are the points, given points. Now, out of these 3 points, what we have to do is, any one point we have to take it. 3, 0 I will take. Okay, as we have to take any one point, you can take this also or this also this. So I have taken 3, 0. What we have to do is, these 3 points also we have to minus with this taken point. We have taken any one point we can take. I have taken 3, 0. What we have to do is, we have to minus these 3 points with this taken point. Now let us minus. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. First point is 0, 0. Okay. Second point, 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 will be what? 4. Then 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 3, 5, and 4 minus 0, 4. Okay. Now this 0, 0 we have to leave. The point 0, one point will be 0, 0 only if we minus. For example, if we take 7, 0, then 7 minus 7, it will be, any one point will become 0 only. That 0, 0 which point we got, we have to leave that. And what we have to do is, we have to use remaining 2 points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. And you have to use this formula, short formula, that is area of triangle is equals to half into x1, y1 minus x1, y2, x2, y1. This formula you should remember. So that if you remember this formula, you can can escape from the very big lengthy formula. For all problems you can use this formula. Here what you have to do is, very easy step. 0 you have to leave. 2 numbers which you left, that is x1, y1 and x2, y2. What you have to do is, area is equals to half into x1, y2 minus x2, y1. Now half we will keep as it is. x1 is what? 4. y2 is 4. Minus x2 is what? 5. y2 is x1, x2 is 5. y1 is 0. Okay. Now half, 4 4s are 16 minus 0. Gone. 16 minus 0, 0. Now half into 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So answer is 8 square unit. Let us check, we have 8 square unit. Yes. C 8 square unit is a correct option. If you are confused with this method, you can go for regular method, that is area is equals to x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y2. This formula, full formula method you can go. But this is the easy and quick method where you can get easily answer. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 9. The coordinates of midpoint of the line joining points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is. Out of this, which is the correct formula they are asking? x1 minus x2 is not correct formula. x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus x2, no. y1 plus y2 should be. So this is also not correct. Okay. Option C is a correct answer, because x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. Let us see the next problem. If the distance between... So, if the distance between the point 2 minus 2 and B minus 1x is equal to 5, the distance between these 2 points is 5, then the value of x is. See, this is the bit lengthy problem, but you have to be very quick in solving this problem. How you will solve? Let me show you here. what you have to do is the given 2 points we will write A 2 minus 2, okay, and point B, that is minus 1x, okay. Now this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Now we know distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So D they have given distance is 5. 5 is equals to, what you have to do is squaring both side we have to do, and squaring both side means 5 square you have to do, and for this also square you have to do, okay. Squaring both side. In shortcut way we have to be very quick because we have to remove root na. So to remove root I have done squaring both side and I have removed the square and root of this side will get cancelled. X2 value is minus 1 minus sin x1 2 whole square plus y2 value is x minus y1 value is minus 2 whole square, okay. So 5 square is 25, minus minus plus, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 square plus x plus 2 whole square, minus minus plus, okay. 25 is equals to 9, 3 square is 9 plus x plus 2 whole square will keep as it is. 25 minus 9, here I bought, so what is left? X plus 2 whole square. Now x plus 2 whole square is equals to 25 minus 9 is nothing but 16. This square if we take this side it becomes what? Root. Square will come here and it becomes root. X plus 2 is equals to root 16 is 8. X root 16 is 4. X is equals to 4, here only 2, if I bring here minus 2, so the value is 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is A2 is a correct value. See, the method is this only. Here what you have to do in quick, in the sense you can leave the some steps and you can go for in cut short way and you can solve very quickly. So the next problem we'll see here is the distance of the point alpha beta from the origin. A point and origin, which formula? Root of whatever is there, that square. Root of alpha square plus beta square. Okay. So the next question. The coordinate of the point A, where AB is the diameter of the circle whose center 2 minus 3 and B14 is. Okay. So here question is what? Let me draw one circle. What they have told, the diameter of the circle is AB. Okay, A and B. What they have told is center is 2, 3. 2 minus 3 is center and point B is 1, 4. Now what they are asking? Find the coordinate of A. We don't know A. But we know that O is the midpoint of AB. We can write O is midpoint. So midpoint formula we can take and write. So O point is 2, 3. So midpoint formula x1 by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, 2, 3 let it be here only. This is the midpoint. A will consider only xy. We don't have any number here, so I'll consider x. x1, y1. This side x2, y2. Okay. x1 is x plus x2 is 1 by 2, comma y1 is y plus y2 is 4. Okay. By 2. Now x coordinate will compare. 2 is equals to x plus 1 by 2 and we'll consider 3 is equals to y plus 4 by 2. 2 to the 4 is equals to x plus 1. 4 minus 1 is equals to x. X what we got? 3. X value we got 3. Similarly 2 3 is 6. Y plus 4. 6 minus 4 is equals to y. Y is equals to 2. So the coordinate of A is 3 and 2. Let us check. We have 3 and 2. So let us check 3 and 2 we have. We don't have the point 3 and 2. So what I have done mistake is the point, midpoint, center is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, I didn't write here minus 3. So let us take minus 3 here. 2 and minus 3. 2 I took this side, minus 3 I should take. 2 3s are 6. Minus 6 minus 4. Okay, minus 4 body here. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. 3 minus 10. We have 3 minus 10. Yes. C 3 minus 10 is a correct option. What I have done mistake is here minus 3 I have not taken. 2, 3 I have taken. So minus 3. Okay. So let us check the next problem. The distance of the point phi 3 from x-axis and y-axis is. Okay. Phi 3 from x-axis. X-axis means here y0 it will be. X-axis y0. So 3 0 means phi. Let me check the distance of the point. Let me draw the point. Phi 3. Where it will come? Let us draw. Okay. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. So point is phi 3. This can be done directly also. How it is directly? From x-axis means y0. From x-axis if we consider this point, 3 is unit, and from y-axis if we consider 5 units. Just see properly the distance of the point phi 3 from x-axis and y-axis. From x-axis if we consider, the unit is 3 unit. First they have told x-axis, so 3 unit, and from y-axis if we considered, unit is 5. So this is the correct option. B 3 units. It cannot be this 5 units and 3 units cannot be. First they have asked the x-axis. Okay. So 3 units and 5 units. Okay. Now the next question is question number 14. Let us see the question number 14. The coordinate of the point of intersection of the x-axis and y-axis are. Here the coordinate of point of intersection, the point of intersection of two x-axis and y-axis is what? Where they intersect? At the origin, and origin is nothing but 0 0. See, 0 0 is the origin. Okay, now question number 15. Which of the following point is on the x-axis? Now again same like previous problem which I have told you. X-axis means y0. Now y0, where you can see? X-axis I told y0. Y0 you can see anywhere? No, this only we can see y0. So 2. 2 0 is the correct answer. Now here the distance between the point x1 y1 and q x2 y2 is given by which formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Or here you cannot see x2 minus x1 whole square anywhere, but you can see x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2. The formula, distance formula can be x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2 also is a correct formula. So D is the correct formula. Why? Because x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So the question number 17 is the coordinate of origin are. See here the question, same question. The coordinate of point of intersection they have given. Point of intersection is origin only. But here directly they have asked the coordinate of origin are C0, 0. Now question number 18. The distance between origin and the point. The distance between origin and point is, point given is 0 4. 0 4. Distance between point and origin is a direct question. D is equals to root of What point is given? 0 square plus 4 square. D is equals to 0 square, I have no value. 4 square is 16. Root 16 is nothing but 4. Answer is 4. B 4 is a correct answer. Now let us see this question. Okay. The distance of the point minus 4 minus 7 from y-axis is. Okay. Again you can see like previous problem. From y-axis is. Okay. That problem I didn't show you in the figure. Here I'll show you again. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Minus 4 minus 7. Okay, minus 4 comes, x minus 4 comes here. 1, 2, 3, 4 for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 7 comes this side. Okay, minus 4 minus 4 minus 7. Okay, you can see this is the negative side of x-axis, that is minus 4 comes here and minus 7 comes here. This is the point now. What they are asking, the distance of the point minus 4 minus 7 from y-axis. From y-axis. This is the y-axis. Distance of from y-axis minus 4 minus 7 is how much unit? This distance from y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. This distance na 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. Answer is 4 units. A 4 unit is a correct answer. Here also, if this problem also you can do with this also same thing. But here directly I have told why, because here 3 and 5 units only you can see here. From x-axis it will be 3 unit and from y-axis it will be 5 unit. Direct, if you do with this also you can understand. Here I have done for this problem and shown na. Okay. Now let us see the next question. So the next question is, if the points K, 2K, K, 2K, 3K, 3K and 3, 1 are the collinear, then K is. This is the collinear problem which you have learned, and if the points are collinear, the area of triangle is 0. Let me write the points. K, 2K, 3K, 3K and 3, 1. Okay. Let me start solving. Are collinear they have told. And we know area of triangle formula is half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Area of triangle is 0 for collinear. First point is x1, y1, x2, y2. Third point x3, y3. Let me check what answer we are going to get. Half. Half x1 is k, y2 value is 3k minus y3 value is 1 plus x2 value is 3k, y3 value is 1 minus y1 value is k. You should be very quick. You may get y1 value is 2k, sorry. You should be very careful while writing the values. Plus x3 is 3, y1 value is 2k minus y2 value is 3k. Okay. How we have to solve? Half into 0 is 0. This half we will multiply here. 0. Half gone. Now k into 3k, 3k square minus k into 1, k plus 3k into 1, 3k minus 3 2 za 6, k into k, k square. Okay. Plus 3 2 za 6k minus 3 3 za 9k. Okay. Now 3k square minus 6k square is minus 3k square. Now k we will see. 6k plus 3k, 9k plus 9k minus 9k got cancels. 3 plus 6, 9. Minus 9, k got cancelled. Minus k equal to 0. Okay, minus 3k square is equals to k. 1k, k got cancelled. Minus 3k is equals to 1. K is equals to minus 1 by 3. Let us check k value. We got minus 1 by 3. And do we have the option minus 1 by 3? Yes, our first option is minus 1 by 3. See, this is only the method you have to do for such type of problems. If comes, you should be very quick. Okay, so this is the 20 questions from coordinate geometry. Such type of question may come in the examination, so you should be perfect with the different numbers. In my next video, I am going to come with the next chapter. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.